Hey everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Bites. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Are you a morning person? You know, someone who jumps out of bed full of energy? Or are you more like me, someone who needs a little time to wake up? Either way, the morning is something we all share. Today, we're talking about exactly that, the morning routine. We'll learn some super useful, natural English phrases to talk about how you start your day. This is real-life English you can use immediately, so you can sound more natural when you talk to people. Let's get started. So, my morning story begins at 7 a.m. when my alarm clock goes off. It's a loud, beeping sound that I really don't love. So, what's the first thing I do? I hit snooze. My alarm clock and I have a love-hate relationship. I love that it wakes me up, but I hate that it's so early. Hitting snooze gives me 9 more minutes of sleep. That feeling of being warm in your bed for just a little longer, it's the best, isn't it? I usually do this at least once, sometimes twice if I'm feeling really tired. After that final alarm, the real challenge begins. I have to actually get out of bed. It's not always easy. I slowly swing my legs over the side of the bed and I sit there for just a moment. I find that sitting for a minute helps me to really wake up before I stand. Then, I stand up and do a big, long stretch to wake up my body. My arms go up to the ceiling and I stretch my back. It feels so good after a long sleep. Now here's a common mistake I often hear from learners. They might say, "Every day I am waking up at 7:30. I understand why, but because a routine is a habit, something you do regularly, we use the simple present tense. So you should say, "Every day I wake up at 7:30. It's the same for other habits. For example, I drink coffee every morning, not I am drinking coffee every morning. The ing form, the present continuous, is for things happening right now. For example, right now, I am talking to you. So remember, for habits, keep it simple. I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to work. Okay, so after I wake up and get out of bed, it's time to get ready. This is a great general phrase that includes many small actions. For me, getting ready means I head to the bathroom first. I wash my face with cold water that really helps me feel awake. Then I brush my teeth. After that, I go to my closet to choose my clothes for the day. I try to do this quickly, but sometimes it takes a few minutes to decide what to wear, especially if the weather is changing. Once I'm ready, I need my morning energy, and that means coffee. I don't make coffee at home on weekdays. I'm usually too slow in the morning. So, on my way to work, I grab a coffee from a small cafe near my apartment. This phrase, grab a coffee, is a fantastic cultural note for you. It's so common in English-speaking countries, especially in North America. It doesn't mean I literally grab the cup in a rough way. It's a casual, relaxed way to say you are getting something quickly, usually on your way somewhere. It shows that life can be fast-paced and people are busy, so we grab things to save time. You can use it for almost any quick meal. For example, you can ask a friend, "Do you want to grab lunch tomorrow?" Or tell someone, "I need to grab a sandwich before the meeting." It will make you sound very natural. When I go into the cafe, I usually say, "Hi, can I get a latte to go, please?" To go is another super useful word. It means you are taking the food or drink out of the restaurant, not eating or drinking it there. The opposite is for here. So the cashier might ask, "Is that for here or to go?" All right, now for a mini practice. It's your turn to think and share. I have 2 questions for you today. First, are you a hit snooze person like me or a jump out of bed person? And second, what's the very first thing you do after you get out of bed? Do you drink water? Check your phone? Do a big stretch? Let me know in the comments below. I read all of them and I'm so curious to learn about your morning routines from all around the world. That's all for today's Bite of English. Let's quickly recap. Today we learned some fantastic phrases for your morning routine: to hit snooze, to get out of bed, to get ready, and how to grab a coffee. We also learned the important grammar point about using the simple present for habits, like I wake up, not I am waking up. And of course, the useful word to go for your next coffee run. I hope you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to Daily English Bites so you don't miss tomorrow's lesson. We're here every day with another small bite of real English. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.